Well, buongiorno, my friendos. It is I, and we're on a hunt. We're going a bike hunt. Oh, that's so. Oh, look at this. Yes, that's my pole for vaulting. What do you find at the end of your garden? I bet everybody else wants one of these. Oh, sorry about the bees. Sorry, bees. Wow. Go have a look at these. Spider. I don't think this is spider. There's spider. Look at that. An old-fashioned roller. That is so amazing. Well, what else do you find? Swings. Oh, look. This kid's playground. The kid's playground at the end of the garden. Abandoned. See? Seats. But we found something. What is this? It's a secret cove. What does a secret cove contain? I'll have to move a few bits because there we go. Oh yeah, Holly's saying hi, by the way. Look at what's in here. Would you like to see a spider building her web, or would you like to see what else is in here? Oh, you're telling me to go away. Okay, fine. You don't like all right. Oh, let's push this over. Let's see what's in. What the hell are they? They are. Oh my god, there's golf clubs. There's golf clubs. Let's get rid of the golf club. That could be. Hello. There's a tiger. There's a tiger stalking us. Oh, Benji. Benji boy. Yeah, what else have we got? We can see a bikey. Oh. Don't tell Alan Turing about this. It's one of those decoding things. It's one of those decoding boxy things. Yep. I'll take that out of the equation and don't tell anybody else about that. We need to see if we can get this out. We might have to move these bits. Have you ever read Lion, a Witch and a Wardrobe? Oh, look at that web. That's one of those weird webs that, oh sorry dude. But anyway, back to the Lion, Witch and Wardrobe. This is like going through the wardrobe. You're literally passing back in time. You're literally looking at stuff. Ah. It's a bikey. Oh, look at that. Oh. Nearly got you out.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, don't worry. No, it's okay. I don't want to. Ooh, she's nearly out. Oh.
You're going to have to, oh, I'm sorry.
No.
Spin it round a bit.
Still stuck. Oh, yeah, that's the. There you go. Well, lay you down. cool.
Careful.
See, Narnia. You open the door, wardrobe door. Oh, see, the door to Narnia. And what did I find in here? Everything. Such an amazing place. Love you and leave you guys. Bye.